Hello students, welcome back to SD Armaan Educational Tutorials. How are you all? I hope you're all fine and doing well with the God grace. In this video, I'm going to teach you from Degree Semester 2, Unit 9. Under Unit 9, I have taken prose, The Romance of Busy Broker, written by O. Henry. So students, before going to dive into the story, let us learn about the author. The story, The Romance of Busy Broker, is written by O. Henry, whose real name is William Sidney Potter, who was born in 1862 and died in 1910, is one of the most popular American short story writer, famous for his simple style, lively characters, and especially his surprise endings. His stories often depict ordinary people caught in everyday situations, but they conclude with an unexpected twist that reveals deeper emotional truths. After knowing about the author, let us learn about the characters. We have three main characters in this story. Coming to the first character, Mr. Henry Maxwell is a busy New York broker, and second character is Mr. Pitcher. Mr. Pitcher is a personal clerk in Maxwell's office. Third character is Miss Leslie. Miss Leslie has been Maxwell's secretary for a year. She is very beautiful and very different from most other secretaries. Her hair always looks plain and simple. She does not wear chains or jewels. Her dress is always grey and plain, but it fits her very well. On her small black hat is the golden green wing of a bird. So students, the story revolves around the Henry Maxwell, a successful stockbroker in New York. He is an extremely busy businessman who spends his entire day attending clients, giving instructions, answering phone calls, and making important business decisions. His office is always crowded and he hardly gets a moment to rest. Because of his hectic schedule, Maxwell becomes completely absorbed in his work and pays little attention to the people around him. One morning, Maxwell notices that his efficient stenographer, Miss Leslie, is behaving differently. She seems nervous, quiet, and emotionally disturbed. Since the office work is increasing, Maxwell asks his colleague, Pitcher, to hire another stenographer immediately. Pitcher informs Miss Leslie about this decision. Although she is hurt, she continues her work without any complaint. Later that day, a young woman arrives from the employment agency for the stenographer's job. Maxwell interviews her but suddenly rejects her, saying that the position has already been filled. Only then does he realize that Miss Leslie, whom he had overlooked the entire morning, is actually his own stenographer. As the day comes to an end, Maxwell suddenly realizes how much Miss Leslie means to him. Without thinking much, he sincerely proposes marriage to her. Instead of being surprised, Miss Leslie gently reminds him that they were already married and previous evening at night at 8 o'clock. Maxwell had become so busy with his work that he had completely forgotten his own wedding. This unexpected twist forms the climax of the story and perfectly reflects O. Henry's famous style of surprise endings. At the same time, the story delivers an important message. It shows that excessive devotion to work can make people neglect their personal lives and relationships. Personal success is important, but it should never come at the cost of love, family, and emotional connections. In conclusion, The Romance of Busy Broker is a humorous yet meaningful story that teaches us the importance of maintaining a balance between our professional responsibilities and personal life. O. Henry reminds us that success becomes truly valuable only when it is shared with the people who care about. So that's it students. Thank you for watching. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English literature videos. Meet you in the next video with another poetry. Until then, keep learning.